What if you could enjoy every bite of Thanksgiving while still feeling light, energized, and completely guilt-free? Imagine leaving the table satisfied, not stuffed, and heading into the rest of the holiday season feeling confident about your health. It's not just a dream, it's totally doable. Over the next few minutes, I'll share strategies to help you enjoy Thanksgiving to the fullest while staying on track with your goals. Be sure to stick around to the end because I've got a powerful tip that will transform how you approach your holiday feast. Thanksgiving is a celebration of gratitude, family, and traditions, but let's face it, the food is a huge highlight. And with so many delicious dishes, it's easy to lose sight of balance. But it all starts with your plate. When it's time to serve yourself, take a moment to look at the options and plan your portions. Fill at least half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables, think roasted Brussels sprouts, sautéed green beans, or a bright, fresh salad. These dishes not only add color and crunch but also provide fiber and nutrients that will keep you full and satisfied without loading up on calories. When you move on to the heartier options like stuffing, mashed potatoes, or mac and cheese, aim for smaller portions. These indulgences are an important part of the holiday, and you shouldn't feel like you have to avoid them entirely. Instead, enjoy them mindfully and savor every bite. You can also look for healthier versions of traditional dishes. For example, mashed cauliflower is a creamy, flavorful alternative to traditional mashed potatoes, and roasted sweet potatoes can stand in beautifully for candied yams without all the added sugar. Even desserts can get a healthy twist. Instead of a heavy pie slice, try a mini pumpkin parfait made with Greek yogurt, or simply enjoy a smaller portion of your favorite dessert. Of course, Thanksgiving isn't just about the food, it's also a time to connect with loved ones, and staying active can be a fun way to bring everyone together. Why not start the day with a walk or even a local turkey trot race? After the meal, encourage your family to join you for another stroll. Physical activity not only boosts your metabolism but also enhances digestion and helps you feel more energized. It's a great way to balance the indulgences of the day. Another key to managing your Thanksgiving meal is hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and help control your appetite. A warm cup of green tea before dinner is another great option. It aids digestion, suppresses appetite, and provides antioxidants. When it's finally time to dig into the meal, eat mindfully. Thanksgiving is filled with unique flavors and special recipes, so take your time to savor each bite. Eating slowly and chewing thoroughly not only helps you enjoy the food more but also gives your body time to recognize when you're full, so you can avoid overeating. Now, here's the special tip I promised you: take a walk after your Thanksgiving meal. Even just 15 to 20 minutes of light activity can do wonders for your body. Studies show that a post-meal walk improves digestion, reduces blood sugar spikes, and helps you avoid the sluggish feeling that often follows a big meal. It's a simple habit that not only helps you burn calories but also keeps you feeling light and energized for the rest of the day. Thanksgiving is about so much more than the food on the table. It's about cherishing time with loved ones, celebrating gratitude, and making memories. With these mindful strategies, you can enjoy the holiday to its fullest while still honoring your health goals. So this Thanksgiving, embrace the joy, savor every bite, and feel empowered knowing you've created balance. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Enjoy the day, and remember, you've got this.